Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. We went there, and yeah, let's just get started so you guys know the disaster. I'm kidding. Let's just go ahead and get started. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm ready for this, but we're just gonna go for it. So I'm doing it without music because if I do it with music, I get to concentrate it more on the music than getting this stuff done. Now I will say out here, I did organize everything, so I cheated maybe in that part, but it's okay because I'm pretty sure YouTubers do the same thing. I'm gonna get my phone and I'm gonna set the timer for 5 minutes. I feel like in 5 I cannot even get my brows done, you know. I don't know if you guys can see it. It says 5 minutes right there. You guys will notice because I'm not gonna cut anything on this part, so like on the video. Go. Oh shit, I already dropped something. Oh my god, oh my god, oh god. I'm using primer. I put too much in my forehead. Foundation. I'm not using concealer because that would be cheating. I even sprayed some on my knee. Oh my god. I don't even know if I'm blending this the right way. I'm doing this so fast. Putting some up here. That's my fridge. Woo! Okay, okay. Baking. Let's bake. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we bronze. Oh wait, my brows. Let's get my brows done. Oh my god. I just threw the cap. Oh! Oh my god, how quick can I do my brows? I'm gonna do them super ratchet, like super quick. Not ratchet because this is like a work that needs to get done. Okay, now we blend it. Okay, now I'm blending with eyeshadow to set the concealer under my eyes. Oh my god, oh my god. I feel like in any minute the time will be up. Oh god. This eyeshadow is way too light for my eyes, but I don't give a damn. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use a brown shade and I'm gonna work it on my crease. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna bronze. Let's bronze. Wait, I'm using out the brush. Crap. Okay. Okay. Mascara. Okay. This is not the mascara I was gonna use, but whatever. I don't want to poke my eye. Okay. Lipstick. I'm gonna do lipstick just in case I forget. fucked up my lip. Okay. Oh my god, I feel like I'm doing so much things. Like, I'm almost done here. Mascara on my bottom lashes. Oh crap. Okay, I'm done. Oh, I took a screenshot accidentally. Yeah, I can't go out like this to the world. Okay, I'm gonna cheat and I'm gonna finish my other mascara. I can't leave it like that. I would have loved to put blush, and I had blush right here. I'm gonna look myself in the mirror to see close-ups. Okay, the mascara, it looks quite good, and the eyeshadow, it's pretty nice, but it's too white. Thank God I did not include concealer because it would have taken me more time. Okay, I hope that you guys enjoyed this challenge. Let me know if you guys want me to do more challenges, and I will be definitely, I would love to do that as well. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.